Here are all the 2 cent coins I've gone through this week. So the coins in the bags here with the pink stickers in them, these are the coins that have a little bit of green marks or dirty marks on the coins. Put them aside to bag them up in bulk. So there's 4.5 kilograms of those coins. And then the better quality coins here in the clear bags, I've got 8 kilograms of those coins that I've gone through this week. So I pulled coins out of there to put onto those charts to make sets, and I've also pulled aside those foreign coins, error coins, and so on. Just to let you know, in bulk lots, these green and dirty coins over here, they sell for about $60. $60 for 4.4 kilos. So that's equivalent to pretty much what I've got at the moment there. And in bulk here, the cleaner coins, they can sell for $80 for 4 kilos. So I've got 8 kilos here at the moment. So that's about $160 worth of these clean coins and about the $60 worth of the green and dirty bulk coins here to sell on eBay. After going through the 2 cent coins this week, this is what I've come up with for making sets. So from 1966 through until 1989, the 2 cent coins were produced for circulation. 1986 and 1987, no 2 cent coins were produced for circulation. They did make them for mint sets, but you won't find them in circulation, and I haven't found any myself. So when I'm making sets, I'd call them circulating sets because these coins are produced for circulation. The lowest mintage year, 1969, found 6 of those, which is good. 1968, another low mintage year, found a fair few of those. If you're wondering why I've got different piles for each year, usually different grade coins, or different coloured, or if they're a little bit dirty, I put them in a different pile, just so I know what sort of coin I'm picking up to place into the sets. So these are my missing SD coins I've found this week. And when I'm referring to the missing SD, I'm talking about this part in here. Under the microscope, you can see here there's an SD standing for Stuart Devlin, the designer of this coin. And these particular coins are missing that SD when you put them under the microscope, and I'll show you one in a moment. And funny enough, the 68, they could be quite valuable. So someone's got on eBay one of these coins for $365 for this particular coin, and if you do the maths on it, it's a 1,824,900% increase in value from the 2 cents. Yeah, pretty impressive. So I've just placed one of the missing SD coins under the microscope, and you can see here, this is normally where the SD initials are, and this coin's got no SD on the coin there. So the coin's worth a lot more than face value. So I would probably personally try one of the coins for maybe $150 on eBay. One was listed for $150 and sold for $127 under an offer situation. And that particular coin had a bit of corrosion on it. It was a bit dirty, so it wasn't a really good condition coin or anything. So that sold for $127. I do sell the 1967 missing SDs for about $18 a coin. I've sold a fair few of those, probably 7 or 8 of those. And I haven't listed any of these 1966s yet, and I'm pretty sure they sell for around about that $18 mark as well. So I'll probably list them for around about that amount also. Here are the error coins I believe I found in the 2 cent coins. So this particular coin over here, so straight clip I'm thinking here. There's also a bit of an error on this coin here that I'll look at under the digital microscope. So with my error coins, I've got the book Renix Australian Pre-Decimal and Decimal Coin Errors, and has lots of information in here as a bit of a reference guide. So I flick to, first of all, about straight clips. So I believe this 2 cent coin that I've got here with that straight clip, Looks a little bit like this 1 cent coin, and I read the description. This is a 1968 1 cent coin whose original planchet was the subject of a straight clip. Okay, so not as straight, my coin, in the clip sort of fashion, but definitely see it there. So this is the other 2 cent coin I've got here in my digital microscope. You see here on the computer screen the focused in area. Now in my Renix guide it looks a little bit like this florin coin here. So I'll just read a little bit from the description. This coin is a 1953 florin and it has a serious problem. This coin has been affected by copper slag inclusion and which has caused a compound extension to the area. Down a bit further, the black area is copper slag. Okay, and if you look at my 2 cent coin here, I wonder if it's the same issue that is going on here with my 2 cent coin. If anyone knows a bit more information about this, please let me know in the comments. Thanks. Okay, so these are the foreign coins I found when I was going through the 2 cent coins this week. So starting at the top here, 1 cent coins from America. Let me go through here to this last one here, 1939 1 cent coin, so a pretty old 1 cent coin there. We've got 1 penny coins from the UK. Got New Zealand 2 cent coins. I've got some Fiji coins there, 2 of those. This one's Papua New Guinea, it says on the back there. Canada, 1964. Slovenka Republic. And then I'm not sure where that coin is there. So some good, interesting coins from elsewhere in the world. Here are the sets that I've put together from the 2 cent coins that I've gone through this week. And you can see here in the sets, some of the sets have a sort of a mixture of coins that have got the really fresh new look with the older look. Some people prefer to have as many of those new fresh looking coins as possible, but others probably prefer to have every coin of the same sort of patina or condition. I personally would probably prefer to have sets where the coins are all looking the same sort of quality, but everyone's different, and this is what they look like. I'll flip them over in a moment. Here are the same sets flipped over with the frilled neck lizard design on this side. Let me know what you prefer. Do you prefer to have sets where all the coins are looking the same sort of colour, or do you prefer to have as many coins as possible that have that really fresh new sort of patina mixed with the older like that? Let me know in the comments. Okay, thanks for watching.